Hi, my name is Alec Boccanfuso, and I'm a research analyst at Gabelli Funds. My best idea for 2020 is Activision Blizzard. Activision Blizzard has 771 million shares outstanding, trading at $59.97 for $46.2 billion market cap. The company has net cash at $2.3 billion and a total enterprise value of $43.9 billion. Overall, we expect 2020 to be a strong year for the video game industry, with Sony's PlayStation 5 and Microsoft's Xbox Series X set to kick off the 9th generation of consoles this holiday season. 2020 will also bring highly anticipated game titles from some of the biggest video game publishers in the industry, such as Cyberpunk 2077 from CD Projekt, The Last of Us 2 from Sony Interactive, and Marvel's Avengers from Square Enix. We expect Activision Blizzard to be one of the biggest beneficiaries from the new console cycle this year, with a new release from its Call of Duty franchise for both the old and new consoles this fall. Call of Duty has been the #1 console franchise globally for the past 11 years, and we expect the franchise's dominance to continue in 2020. Aside from upside from the new consoles, we expect Activision to benefit from its increased mobile gaming portfolio with Call of Duty Mobile and the potential release of Diablo Immortal worldwide. Mobile gaming makes up almost 50% of video game industry software revenue and offers publishers higher margin revenue than console and PC games through in-game purchases and subscription services. Activision is currently waiting on monetization approval for both mobile games in China, and if approval is granted at some point this year, we expect this to act as a large and unaccounted for catalyst. Lastly, we expect Activision to reveal the release dates of previously announced Overwatch 2 and Diablo 4 at some point this year, most likely at BlizzCon in November. Both titles are new iterations to billion-dollar franchises, and any color on release dates for the titles can serve as catalysts for stock performance in 2020. Blizzard has stated that these new titles will be available on PC in both generations of consoles, offering the company the ability to double sell the games to consumers. Any new announcements for Blizzard titles at BlizzCon, such as mobile versions of Overwatch or Warcraft, can be exciting news for investors this year. ATVI trades at around 15 times 2020 EBITDA, which is at the lower end of valuation among similar game publishers with large exposure to mobile gaming, which range from 15 to 20 times. As such, ATVI is undervalued and is our best idea for 2020. Our private market value is 75 in 2020, growing to 90 in 2023.